Why is the arrival of the Honda Prelude Coupe highly anticipated in 2026? Innovative hybrid technology. The new Prelude will likely be offered only as a hybrid. This hybrid system combines a 2.0-liter gasoline engine with dual electric motors, similar to that found in the Civic and Accord EHEV. This technology not only improves fuel efficiency, but also delivers better performance. Replacing the lost coupe model, the Honda Prelude replaces the discontinued Civic and Accord Coupe. It fills a gap in the market for a sporty coupe from Honda. Legacy of a great name. The Prelude name has a long history as a popular luxury sports coupe until its fifth generation in 2001. Release date. The car is expected to go on sale in Japan shortly after its debut, with a global rollout, including North America, beginning in late 2025 and into early 2026.